Amendment A heard before the South Dakota Supreme Court yesterday regarding the legalization of recreational marijuana. But members of the state legislature aren't waiting. They're taking steps to prepare for the possibility of legal recreational marijuana in South Dakota, regardless of what the state Supreme Court ultimately decides. Our Austin Goss explains more from Pierre.
The immediate future of recreational marijuana in South Dakota is very much in question. However, state legislators are preparing for legalization either way. A select legislative committee will meet a number of times over the summer to talk about the future of marijuana implementation in South Dakota, both medical and recreational.
We're going to start diving into it. It is a large committee. It's 24 members, and the reason it's so large is this topic is that large. It can be broken up into many subgroups to try to help expedite the process.
Given marijuana is still illegal at the federal level, it can create for confusion when dealing with it at the state level. The state House has been less favorable to pro-marijuana policies than the Senate, and the committee reflects that sentiment. However, pro-marijuana legislators say they aren't deterred by that.
Provides a good avenue for me to be able to convince these people, and that's what my people elected me to do. So I guess I'm viewing it as an opportunity to convince some people or educate some people that aren't necessarily as familiar with it as I may be.
The committee will look at a variety of topics, to include how banks deal with marijuana businesses, how other states have implemented marijuana policies, and what federal law does and does not allow for currently. Despite the appetite to become more informed on the issue, much still hinges on how the state Supreme Court rules on Amendment A.
We're waiting for the Supreme Court to make their decision on Amendment A, whether it was constitutional or not. So there are a couple of things on the recreational amendment that kind of concern me.
The first meeting of that summer study committee will be May 26th and May 27th, right here at the state capitol in Pierre. In Pierre, I'm Austin Goss.